Announcement lang po.
Nandito sila ba?
Opo, pwede na po pumunta dito po sa gitna yung mga ibang runners po. Natapos na po sa ating run. We are going to proceed na po with the awarding ceremony. Again, to all our finishers, please proceed dito po sa center for the awarding ceremony of our top 3 for each kilometer. Thank you so much. It's about time that we are now going to proceed na po with the awarding ceremony po. So first up, we'll be announcing the winners po for our 1 kilometer po, yung finishers po natin na top 3. And to award our certificate and trophy, we have here our store manager, Ma'am Patricia, and for our, store operator, Ma'am Patricia, and store manager, Ma'am Job. Ayan. And of course, please read po.
All eyes po kami.
Check. Announce po namin 3rd, 2nd, and the 1st place. Okay? Ayan. So, of course, for our 3rd place, certificate of recognition to our 3rd place for our 1 kilometer category for the family fun run held on October 5, 2025 on Neapolitan Cycling Grand. Congratulations, our 3rd place, Eduardo Medina. Palakpakan naman po natin. Congratulations. Picture po. Compress po. Second placer for our 1 kilometer category is none other than Michael Bautista. Palakpakan po natin. Congrats. Picture po. Alright, and for our first place, for our 1 kilometer category, congratulations. Please correct me with the name, John Titus Rivera. Palakpakan naman po natin. Congratulations. Please receive your trophy and certificate coming from our store manager, Ma'am Joms, and Ma'am Patricia, our store operator. Picture po. Next up naman po is, of course, we are going to announce our finishers top 3 for our 3 kilometer category. So, 3rd place po muna tayo. And for our 3rd place goes to, congratulations, Napoleon de Guzman. Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations po. Picture po sila, of course. And of course, for our 2nd place, congratulations, Kero Bantiles. For our 3 kilometer category, congratulations. Please receive your certificate and trophy as your award. And for our first place for 3 kilometer category is none other than Gerald Sirgab. Round of applause, please. Ayan. Here you go po. Congratulations. After this, we'll proceed na po with our finishers top 3 for our 5 kilometers. Congratulations po to our finishers, top 3 from 3rd to 1st place. Next up naman po, we're going to proceed na po with the awarding of the winners po for our 5 kilometer na po. Starting with our 3rd place again. For our 3rd place, none other than Mark Henry. Palakpakan natin, Mark Henry. Congratulations po. And of course, for our 2nd place, picture po muna. And for our 2nd place for the 5 kilometer category goes to Kevin Bantiles. Congratulations po. Please receive your certificate and trophy from our store manager and store operator, Kyle. And for our first place from our 5 kilometer category for the fun run goes to James Tulias. Congratulations po. Smile, picture.